Do you want to play Rainbow Six Siege on your PC using your Xbox controller but you don't know how? You're not alone. Many players want the fun of Xbox controls with the power of PC graphics. Good news. Today, I'm going to show you how to make it work step by step so you can jump in and play like a pro. So first, plug your Xbox controller into your PC with a USB cable or connect it with Bluetooth. So go to your Windows settings, click on Devices, and make sure that your controller shows up. Next, open Steam, okay? Even if you didn't buy R6 on Steam, click on Add a non-Steam game and choose Rainbow Six Siege. Now your controller can work better with Steam's controller settings, okay? Steam's controller settings. Then go to Steam's big picture mode, okay? Click the settings gear and go to controller settings. Turn on Xbox configuration support. Open Rainbow Six Siege, go to options and then controls. Change the input device to controller. Now test your buttons, move, aim, shoot to make sure everything works. Last thing is you're going to customize your controls. Steam lets you change every button to fit how you play best. So now that you're ready to dominate, like, comment, subscribe, ciao.